Hello everyone, we're here at the Sleep Inn in Gallup, New Mexico, and we're going to take a hotel room tour of a standard room with 2 double beds. You can see one of the rooms being cleaned over there, and is room 214, so let's go in. And right as you walk in, the layout's pretty similar to the one in Flagstaff. We have 2 light switches over here. They both are controlling outlets. This one controls the outlet with the lamp. And this switch right here controls the outlet by the nightstand in between the 2 beds. But you can see like the clock will go out. So that's a poor design. But then over here we have a mirror. And we get a Panasonic TV. It does have HD cable service with Xfinity. You can see the information here. It just originally wasn't set correctly, but they do get HD cable. TV makes some creaky noises as it warms up. It's just a regular LCD. And the cable box, you can see, is that white thing on the wall. And then hidden behind the TV, we have a light switch for this wall sconce. And I guess from the phantom power or something, when this is off in the night, you can see very faintly the LED flickers a bit. But there's the TV. Here's the rest of the entertainment console. Below the TV we have a Sanyo mini fridge with a small freezer compartment right there. And they also give you an ice cube tray. And then we have a Magic Chef microwave. And just like the Sleep Inn in Flagstaff, you only get 1 drawer pretty much on the entertainment console. And then over here's like the desk area, coffee maker, coffee supplies. You get the same kind of uncomfortable mesh chair. And then there's this lamp over here. 1 power outlet on it. I think it's plugged into that outlet behind the coffee maker. So there's a look at the little desk area, entertainment console. And then over here's the closet. You get 8 coat hangers, shelf up top, ironing board, and 1 luggage stand. And moving over here, we have the window and the climate control unit. When I arrived, the climate control unit was off, but it's an LG. The fan is kind of low. Let me just turn it on for you. So it's ramping up, fan set to high. So it takes a while to kick on. But there it's starting up. Yeah, so you can hear the compressor is pretty noisy. There's a view out. We are right next to a Holiday Inn Express and Suites. Over there's the Town Place Suites. To the left is La Quinta, behind the tree. And Comfort Suites is over there in the distance. So the AC is a little bit quieter after the compressor starts up. And then over here's the nightstand. Like I said, that switch by the door controls the whole outlet, including where the clock's plugged in. Same lamp right there. Same nightstand. And then you get the 2 double beds. So there are the 2 double beds, and then going over here is the vanity sink area. A very similar design to the one in Flagstaff with the same faucet used. Same light fixtures. Then over here's the bathroom. This one's a little bit smaller than the other Sleep Inn. But you can see there's a light fan there. Fan's not too loud. A towel rack. Crane branded toilet. And then over here's the shower, walk-in shower. The shower door is kind of older. Kind of magnetically clicks into place. Here's the shower, and the water pressure is a little bit low. You can see there's that light there. It's pretty dim. It looks just like a skylight. But that's not too bad. It doesn't like blind you in the shower, but it's a nice like soft white LED. Shower right there. Has that same like curve shape that goes into the room. It looks like a column, but it's not. And then just quick test of the shower. This thing is kind of installed incorrectly. That bottom one is off. So the cold should be rotated that way. Yeah, but the water pressure is somewhat low. And there's a grab bar over there in the curved section of the shower for safety. So that's going to be pretty much it for this room tour. So here's another overview of the room, and that will conclude this full hotel room tour of a standard room with 2 double beds at the Sleep Inn in Gallup, New Mexico. Thanks for watching, everyone. Be sure to check out other videos on my channel and get subscribed so you don't miss out on any new videos.